Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious Poblano rice that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this delicious Poblano rice, very few ingredients, but this rice comes out amazing. I have chicken bouillon, 1 garlic clove, half an onion, 2 poblano peppers, 2 cups of rice, water, and vegetable oil. This is everything we need, so let's get started.
I want to start here first with the garlic clove. I like to smash it so that it doesn't run when I'm trying to dice it in very small little pieces. Let me tell you, the garlic is going to really infuse the rice. It's going to release all the amazing properties and flavor. And here I have half an onion that I'm going to slice and cube to add to this amazing poblano rice. Once you make this poblano rice, you are really going to fall in love with it. Like I tell you, very few ingredients, but yet the rice is so penetrated with these 3 flavors. Of course, I'm going to remove the stem. I'm going to remove all the seeds, and I'm going to remove the veins. Sometimes the poblano peppers come out very spicy, and you don't want a spicy rice. You want to really enjoy this amazing poblano rice. Look at this. I'm going to start slicing away very thin slices so that it really releases all the amazing flavor of the poblano pepper. Very easy to make. Like I tell you, when you make this delicious and amazing rice, you are really going to continue enjoying it with your beautiful family. I hope, my friends, you give a chance to this amazing rice. You're going to love it. Well, here I am done with all the peppers and slicing and cubing and dicing, and let me show you. I am ready to go to the stove and start cooking and making this rice. I'm going to add some vegetable oil. It's going to be about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. And now I am ready to add the rice. I have 2 cups of rice. I'm going to just incorporate it really good. I want to coat the rice with the vegetable oil so that it starts cooking and browning everything at the same time. This part is very important. You want to make sure that the rice is really coated with the vegetable oil. I'm going to add the diced garlic and the cubed onion. Once you start smelling the aroma of the garlic and onion, that means your rice is starting to brown, and it's gonna get nice and brown. It's going to get infused with the garlic and the onion. It's gonna take about 2 to 3 minutes when you start noticing that the rice is getting nice and golden brown. And that's exactly how you want it. You want to really infuse the rice with these 2 amazing flavors and aromas. Look at this. You could see the edges of the rice getting nice and brown. When you start noticing that, you are ready to add your poblano peppers. Add them in here, incorporate them really good, and just incorporated them. Look at this. Of course, to this I'm going to add the chicken bouillon. The chicken bouillon is to taste, or you could add salt. But let me tell you, the chicken bouillon really gives it and amazing flavor. Make sure that you add very hot water. I'm going to add 4 cups of hot water. Each cup has 2 cups of water. So I'm adding 2 whole cups of boiling water. When you add boiling water to your rice, the rice cooks faster and it gets nice and fluffy. It's going to cook for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, this rice is going to be done. When you add your water, reduce the heat to very low heat. Cover your rice and let it simmer. Simmer away with all those amazing and delicious flavors. I am going to cover it and I'll see you in about 15 minutes. There is no rush. If you got up to this part of the video and you like and you love this recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, with your family, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Only with your help, Cooking with Gloria will continue growing. I want to say thank you so much for always being here and always leaving those amazing messages. May God bless. And here, I want to show you how fluffy this rice is. It really pulls apart. Look at this. The poblano peppers really infuse the rice. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to enjoy it. I can't wait to just sit down and enjoy this nice and hot, fluffy, with a lot of character, this rice. Look at this. I am ready for the presentation. I can't wait to enjoy it. I hope you make it. I'll see you in a little bit.
My friends, I am completely done with this poblano rice, a very easy and delicious recipe. This is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Of course, with a lot of the poblano peppers, amazing. Excuse me. Of course, with the poblano peppers, amazing. Mmm, mmm. Perfection made at home. Mmm. This rice has all those amazing flavors. Garlic, onion, and poblano peppers. When you cook with love, everything comes out perfect. If you liked and love this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing poblano rice. Like, subscribe, and share, and see you soon. Bye-bye.